Hello everyone. This video is an overview of the job description section in our Resume Writer app. The job description section is where you enter the new positions that you may be interested in applying for. So from your overview, you can click into job description and it will come to the job description that you've entered for that position. If you want to enter a brand new job position, you can do that here from create a new job application, or you can do that here with enter a new position. Both of those take you to the same place. The job title, you are going to want to use something very similar to the job title in the posting. This does go to the AI, and so it will show up in your output. The same as the company. The name of the company gets sent to the AI and often shows up in the output as well. The other pieces, the comment, the URL, and the status do not get sent to the AI. Those are for your use. So what I often do is I will put something in the comment about the location to help me remember where was this position. Was it remote? Was it on site? Was it somewhere near me or far away? You could just as easily put in salary ranges or something else that would make meaningful sense to you. And the URL is what I typically put here is either the URL for the job posting. Where did I find it? Was it on LinkedIn? Was it on Indeed? Was it somewhere else? Or the link to the application page for the company. That way I can go back and I can quickly see what that link was and jump to it without having to go search. This status allows you to manage your application through the various pieces of the life cycle. From the starting point of considering, and every position you enter starts in the considering status. You can jump anywhere that you want. But we've tried to cover the bulk of the status options that you would encounter in a normal job search. So you may or may not decide to apply to that position. I would often save positions and not sure if it was something I was really interested in or maybe not a great fit, and then change it to didn't apply. And it still stays in the application, it still stays in the database, but it doesn't show up. When you go to that overview page, the overview is only going to show you what's considered the active applications, so the ones that you move to an inactive state, like didn't apply or no response or declined or whatever. Those go away from that front list. They're still there in the database, you can go find them, but they don't show up front and center. You can apply, maybe you got a phone interview or an in-person interview. All of these statuses you can move between. You just change the status and then you hit update and it will save that new status. It also saves a history of those status changes. So as you go through and change those, it'll save the history changes and it will also save a date stamp. So you can see how long ago it was that you applied to something and maybe you haven't heard back yet and you just want to give up on it. Or you felt like they were being really slow, but you were just busy and you looked at it and it was really only a week between making an application and hearing back with something. And then the job description, you want to paste this in from the site that you got it. This is going to get used a lot with the AI in terms of having the AI understand what it is that you're applying for. What do they care about? What are the skills that they're looking for? And how well do you fit for that? So that is the overview for the job description. Thanks for watching.